YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use chopsticks. Most people don't know how to use them, but let's just get right into it. So the first chopstick, this is the one that does not move. You line it up with the top of your middle finger, like here, and line it up with the bottom of your index and hold it with your thumb. Do it in the middle of your thumb because you need to use your thumb to hold the one that does move, and it should be like this. Next one, this is the one that does move, top of the index, top of the thumb, line them up, and there you go. Now you can eat your sushi, your rice, whatever with this. I did not know how to do these for a long time, but then I got taught and I just thought I should teach you guys, because probably a lot of people go to like Japanese and Chinese restaurants and have no idea how to use this and just like stab their sushi or whatever, and that is not appropriate in Japanese and Chinese culture, just saying. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, comment down below if you want to see more tutorials, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, bye!